My name is Alex Diaz, and I'm one of the owners here at Water Heater Masters. Buying a water heater nowadays can be a frustrating process, so what we do is we take that frustration away from homeowners. We help the homeowners decide on which water heater is the best water heater for them.
We perform general plumbing, faucets, garbage disposals, repipe. We specialize in tankless and hybrid products and offer good pricing and fast service. Well, we test all our work when we're done. We ensure there's no water leaks, gas leaks. We're NORD certified. We've had Takagi training. We do the jobs right. We do it to code. And we make sure everything's functioning the way it's supposed to before we leave the job.
I think it's a peace of mind for the homeowner to know what kind of qualified technician they're going to get in their home. By being Diamond certified and holding the certifications, it assures that you're going to get a qualified technician to do the work.
Well, we specialize in tankless water heater installations. We're doing a lot more of them over the past couple of years. People are very interested in saving money and the efficiency of them. Certain areas like Berkeley and Oakland, the water heaters inside the house and the kitchen, we can relocate that to an exterior wall to save some space. Or maybe they have a 75-gallon tank and their PG&E bill is a lot higher than it should be. If you substitute that with the tankless, you're going to save a lot of money, and in the long run, you're not going to have to pay for other tanks to be replaced because they last so long.
If you want somebody out to your home quickly and efficiently, please call Water Heater Masters. We are the water heater experts.